Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your job history into a clean format with Zety, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to zety.com. Once the site is loaded, sign into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Look for the Resume Builder tool on the home page. Click on it to start the process of creating a resume. After entering the Resume Builder, you'll see various templates available. Choose a template that you find visually appealing and suitable for your industry. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken to an editing interface. Locate the section for work experience on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to bring up the input fields for your job history. Start by entering your most recent job title in the designated field. Next, input the company name where you worked. Include the start and end dates for that position. Write a concise description of your responsibilities and achievements. To add additional job history, click on the option to add another job. Repeat the same process by entering the job title, company name, dates, and description for each role. Ensure the information is accurate and formatted consistently. Once you've entered all your job history, take a moment to review it. Check for any spelling or grammatical errors that might affect the presentation. Make sure all your roles are listed in reverse chronological order. If you need to adjust the formatting, use the options available on the right side of the screen. You can modify font styles, sizes, and colors to enhance readability. After making the necessary adjustments, save your progress. Once you're satisfied with the clean format of your job history, it's time to export. Select the Export option on the top menu. Choose the format you prefer, such as PDF or Word. Confirm any additional settings before finalizing the export. Finally, download your newly formatted job history to your device. Your job history is now ready to be integrated into your resume. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.